Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Empower. Empower means give someone authority or power to do something. For example, nobody was empowered to sign checks on her behalf. Nobody was empowered to sign checks on her behalf. Synonyms: authorize, license, entitle.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. All uniformed metro offices are empowered to issue traffic fines. Now, repeat after me. All uniformed metro offices are empowered to issue traffic fines. The second exemplar. Local officials were empowered to impose curfews in 38 towns and cities. Now, repeat after me. Local officials were empowered to impose curfews in 38 towns and cities. The third exemplar. The UN has never established a court empowered to do so. Now, repeat after me. The UN has never established a court empowered to do so.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.